Today let me show you how me, a non-professional baker and overall not particularly artistic person, made this Paw Patrol cake for my daughter's 4th birthday. First, we start with the fondant. And this is the first step we're going to be going over, is how to make the fondant in this short. First, take one 16-ounce bag of mini marshmallows, and then you see here I'm putting 2 to 3 tablespoons of water in there. And then you're just going to mix the water over the marshmallows to make sure that the marshmallows are coated entirely. Pop it in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then you're going to go ahead and mix it up, and you can see it's starting to melt there. Put the marshmallows back into the microwave for 30 seconds, and then another 30 seconds if you need to. When your marshmallows are done, they're going to go ahead and they're going to look like this. They're all melted together nicely. And then you're going to go and add 4 cups of powdered sugar, and you're going to mix each cup in separately, one at a time. Rub a little butter on your hand so it doesn't stick, and then knead it like dough. Transfer it to a surface covered in powdered sugar, and then you're just going to continue in it, kneading it like dough. When you're all done, it'll have this sweet Play-Doh-like consistency, and then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to cut it, and I'm going to put it in the fridge to save for later for when I'm ready to use it. To see how I turned that white fondant into this pretty pink cake, tune in next week when I break down the decoration part.